Hi everyone, welcome back to Spring into Math 7. I'm Mrs. Campbell, and today we're going to be talking about the distributive property and multi-step equations. Let's get started. Okay, so I think that when we're talking about the distributive property, the easiest way to do it is just jump right in and start doing a problem. So let's go ahead and do that. Our question asks us to solve for x. 2 times 5x plus 9 equals 78. So distributive property tells me I multiply 2 times 5x, which gives me 10x, and 2 times 9, which gives me 18, and my plus sign comes down too. And I have 10x plus 18 equals 78, and there I have done the distributive property. Next, I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides of the equal sign. I come up with 10x equals 60. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, so I am going to divide both sides by 10, and my 10s will cancel out. X will then equal 60 over 10. When that's simplified, x equals 6. Pretty simple. All right, let's try another one. Using our distributive property, 2n, 2 times n, plus 9, 2 times 9, 18, just bring my plus sign down, equals 5n. So I've used my distributive property first. The next thing I'm going to do, now don't be thrown off because you've got variables on both sides of the equal sign. It's okay. You can still combine like terms. So all you have to do is subtract. You want to get the variable on one side of the equal sign. Subtract 2n from both sides of the equal sign. So I have now, this cancels out. 18 equals 3n, because 5n minus 2n equals 3n. Okay, now I need to divide both sides by 3. The 3's will cancel out as I've shown you here. Now I've got 18 over 3 equals n, and 18 over 3 is simplified to 6. So n equals 6. All right, everyone, your turn. Use the distributive property and see if you can solve for d. Your problem is 3 times d plus 15 minus 18d equals 0. Good luck. Welcome back, everybody. How'd you do? Let's take a look at our answer. So our question was 3d plus 15 minus 18d equals 0. Using the distributive property, I should have 3d plus 3 times 15, which is 45. So I now have 3d plus 45 minus 18d equals 0. That's my distributive property. Now the next thing I did, I want you to just ignore the 45 for a minute. I combined my like terms of 3d and 18d. So I want to put those together. 3d minus 18d is actually going to be negative 15d. Now I will bring that plus 45 back down. So I just wanted to get my terms together, combine my like terms. Now let's read our equation. We have got negative 15d plus 45 equals 0. I'm going to subtract 45 from both sides of the equal sign. I now have negative 15d equals negative 45. Okay, and next, because this is telling me negative 15d says multiply and the inverse operation of multiplication is division, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 15. And remember, when we have a negative divided by a negative, our answer is going to be a positive. So negative 45 divided by negative 15 is actually going to be a positive 3. All right, everyone, that just about wraps it up for this video. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.